This is one of the hardest fingers to keep in tune on the fiddle, and it's your fourth finger. And in Irish music, you really don't have to shift up beyond first position very often, so you're not gonna replace the four with the second finger here in third position or anything like that, so you do have to use it. So a couple of 2-for-1 ideas for you today in today's fiddle tip is to try different bow patterns to get into your fourth finger pattern. So let's say we're playing the home ruler, so the very end. So see what it feels like to play that with just all separates. Does that help you keep the fourth finger in tune, or do you want to try slurring into it? Or maybe slurring out of it? Personally, for me, I tend to bow this all separate, but you can absolutely try, see what works for you. The other thing is, get one of these guys. It's a grip master, and it lets you train each finger individually for getting a bit more strength. And if you have a kind of a death grip on the fiddle, then maybe go the other direction, get one of those TheraBands that lets you move outwards. But this is a really, really great tool for developing finger strength. It's what I used all throughout college, and my fourth finger definitely saw benefits from that. So give it a try, let me know what you think.